Hello friends, welcome to TechTechGuides. Today I will show you how to sign up for Canva. So let's get started. First of all, open canva.com from your favorite browser. In my case, I am using Google Chrome. Then click on sign up for free. Then you will get multiple options as continue with Google, continue with Facebook, continue with email, or continue with any other way. In my case, I am choosing continue with email. After that, enter your email address and hit on continue button. After that, Canva will send you the OTP mail on your mail. In my case, I got my code, then I entered. Then see, you are logged into Canva. In this way, you can log into Canva in very simple way. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe.